Hello friends, if you have a couple of minutes, I want to discuss how I personally avoid error messages in DaVinci Resolve and how you probably can do too. You might think that some things that I'm going to tell you are stupid and not relevant, but I can assure you I was surprised how disconnected the things that I'm doing are to the problems that occurred and to the error messages that I got. So yeah, let's get right into it. I want to start by saying that I firmly believe that 80% of all the error messages that I get, where DaVinci says it can't write any data or things like that, they are all connected to the render cache. And that's quite weird sometimes. You see, last week I had that situation where I couldn't save a thumbnail to my hard drive. So I went to the color page and then I wanted to export an image. Now it would work because I solved the problem. But you see, the thing was I also couldn't export the video. It would always take the first 10 seconds and it would show that it rendered the clip completely. But after the 10 seconds, it would just stop playing in another player. So I first was thinking that there was something wrong with my video player in Windows, because I always test my videos before I upload them in a different player outside of DaVinci Resolve, just to make sure that it works, that I don't have some garbage posting on my channel. Okay, some of you might think you are posting garbage anyway, but okay, all jokes aside, the next thing what I was experiencing was that OBS, the software that I make my screen recordings with, that you can see here in the lower left, what I'm doing right now actually. The thing was that at a certain point it also didn't record. And then I went to my hard drive and saw that the drive that I was trying to save my footage on was completely full. And the error message that I got didn't really seem related. I honestly don't know exactly what it was anymore. I forgot. But it went to extent error writing file. That's all. And I really was puzzled. And because I have some beefy hard drives, I would never have thought that something like that could happen. What I always do is I'm going to the settings, and in the master settings I always choose a drive where I put the proxies, the cache files and the gallery stills, so that I exactly know where they are. And then the thing is, when I rely on deleting the cache, when I go to playback and delete render cache and then say all, then it says okay, I say delete everything, and that should take care of everything. I think we can agree on that. It should delete the gallery, stills, everything. I go even further and go to delete the gallery stills manually. So I didn't export them, I didn't do anything to them. And then I go again to the delete render cache just to make sure. I really want to delete everything. But here's the catch. When I'm going to my hard drive, you see that the DaVinci cache on D still has data in it, and it shouldn't. It also has in the gallery data, what it shouldn't actually. So what I'm personally doing, and you probably think that's crazy, I go to the cache directory and then I select everything what's in there, and then I hit Shift Delete in Windows itself. I do that for the DaVinci cache, and I do that for the gallery. And since I don't use the proxies, I don't need to, but that's the way to get rid of it. And when I did just that, all the problems vanished like snow before the sun. That's just a little tip. Do with it what you want. For now, I'm out. Thank you very much for watching. Maybe this helps. Have a great day.